Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera preserve macro control on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in settings, we scroll down and then tap on camera. Now in here, tap on preserve settings and then go down and tap on macro control. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch off macro control. And with this feature, it can preserve the auto macro settings rather than automatically using the ultra wide camera to capture macro photos and videos. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.